I get a chicken bacon croissant, or I get some coffee, Powerade if I'm dehydrated. I sit there all the time. And if I have any like legal work that I need to do, I go there. I meet with my attorneys there.
If I have any legal work, yeah, there you go. I mean, with, I'm always in trouble, so I'm getting in touch with this is Dutch Smith is what it says.
I'm going to miss that place if it don't open up.
Yep.
And a lot of my friends go in there, get the cold coffee, iced coffee, I guess it's called.
People miss their local.
Oh, they miss their local Dunkin' Donuts there in Shamokin. She got to go to a Turkey Hill. How about that?
I guarantee you that news clip is why Dunkin' changed its name to Dunkin'. They were sitting in a boardroom, and they're like, look at this. This is how these people pronounce donuts.
Donuts.
Our name is wrong in, what the hell was the name that time? Shamokin? Shamokin, Pennsylvania.
Yeah.
We're Dunkin'. No one's going to mess up Dunkin'. That's it. We're just Dunkin' now.
I would have loved if after the fire, they reopened it and they had Jim Carrey come in with a comically large pair of scissors.
Oh my God.
They're like, what? That's a 30-year-old reference.
Could have also come out of the bathroom as Fire Marshal Bill.
He just gets in a car and they're like, hey, man, was that Jim Carrey? Did he do a line from The Mask? Jesus. Movie's 40 years old. What is he doing? What else are you going to use there? I like how the lady goes, I prefer the donuts and Dunkin' Donuts, so I'm dealing with that.
And then she said donut like...
Yeah, hold on.
With it. Hey, listen, first world problems, man. People are